What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open YouTube Studio. Now, right now you can see that I have Google Chrome open, and so I have active internet connection. As you can see right here, my internet connection is stable, and so I'm just going to type in youtube.com. Now, you want to ensure that you also have a Google account because you need to have a Google account before you can sign into the YouTube Studio. Now, once you're here, just go ahead and click login on the upper right hand side. If you're not yet logged in into your Google account, you will see that it's going to prompt you to log in. Let me just log out real quick and show you what that actually looks like. So when you head over to youtube.com, you will see that it's going to ask you to log in. And you can see right here, it says sign in at the top. You click here. And so you want to choose your email address. And of course, enter your password. I'm going to do that real quick as well. And as well, if you also have, let's say you already logged into Google, you will also have that ready. And so once you sign in, you will see it shows your account on the upper right like this, and you click it and you will see YouTube Studio. So you click on YouTube Studio and it's going to take you right into YouTube Studio. And here it is, guys. That's how easy it is to open YouTube Studio on your computer. Very easy and very simple.